Building an online store with Squarespace is a straightforward process that allows you to showcase and sell products effectively. Here's a step-by-step guide. Sign up for Squarespace. Go to the Squarespace website and create an account. Choose an appropriate plan for e-commerce, such as the business or commerce plan. Choose a template. Browse through Squarespace's collection of e-commerce templates. Select one that suits your brand and click Start with this design. Set up your store. Access the Pages menu, then click on the plus icon to create a new page for your online store. Choose products to add items. Add products. Click on Add Product. You can select from physical, digital, or service products. Enter details like name, description, price, and upload high-quality images. Configure payment settings. Go to Settings, Payments to connect your payment processor, such as Stripe or PayPal. Set up shipping. In Settings, Shipping, configure your shipping options and rates based on your preferences. Customize your site. Adjust design elements, such as colors and fonts, in the Design section to match your brand. Publish your store. Review everything and click Publish to launch your online store. Promote it via social media and email marketing.